You see, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is switch on just a little bit of the masculine momentum inside of your body. And wham! You'll automatically enter into what scientists call a positive feedback loop. You'll effortlessly press go on the natural forces inside of your body that produce more testosterone, more savage masculine energy, and more ravenous libido. And once you start this cycle, you couldn't even stop it if you tried. Your body will get the message to keep pressing the gas pedal on releasing even more natural testosterone, continuing the cycle. But it's not enough to just switch testosterone production on. That's because lurking in your environment are 7 virility vampires that are draining your body of its natural vigor. So to keep the cycle going, you have to press go on the good stuff and block the bad stuff that you can't possibly avoid in our modern world. And believe it or not, it's as simple as drinking a delicious, inexpensive, and easy to prepare beverage that you'll actually look forward to doing every day. You see, I realized a while ago that most guys have already gotten all the high-quality advice and knowledge they need to regain their youthful energy and turn on their masculine hormone factory. You know you need to get high-quality nutrients, trace minerals, fats, and critical vitamins. The problem is that you're probably not a nutritionist or health researcher and don't want to be. If you're a busy guy with an active life, the last thing you want is to create a diet plan or track down all the right foods to eat on a daily basis. You're not skilled in the kitchen and don't have the time and energy to make healthy food that tastes great, unless you're a 4-star chef or want to spend all your free time preparing and cooking food. You'll need a shortcut to turn on this masculine momentum inside of your body. You hate bland, boring food that couldn't satisfy a rabbit, let alone a full-grown, red-blooded man, so despite your best intentions you find yourself backsliding into bad habits like eating lots of fast food. And this is why, despite all the quality information available, you're still dragged down by premature aging and masculine decline. To learn more about this product, then click on the link in the description.